my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And I'm so happy you were spending this little time with me today. I do appreciate it. So I went to the dollar store and I picked up some things, and I'm just going to show you what I got. I am inspired because I remember some time back Simply Demi was doing lives and she was talking about things that she got at the dollar store. So I thought, you know what, why not go to the dollar store and see what I can find and come and share with you guys. So I have a little bag here, not too many things at all. So the first thing I got here was these little cosmetic wedges. And you know, these are always good to have when you're doing makeup, because sometimes when you just want to get under the eyes to do something, and they're nice and small, so you can use them to set your under eye, or you can use them to apply foundations or maybe your powders or something like that. If you are short on makeup brushes, these are a good alternatives to use. And they're not very big, they're nice and small, and 20 pieces in the pack. And this is $1.50, and it's going to last a very long time. So this is what the package looks like. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, they are quite small, and again, like I said, you can just use them under the eyes and to get into some of those small creases on your face. That's also good. I don't know why I picked up a tweezer like I needed one. So this is just a tweezer, and there we go. And you can also use this to pluck the eyebrows, or you can use this to put on your lashes. And this is $1.25, and this is in a blue color, as you can see here. Nice. I don't have my scissors with me, so I cannot open that. And then I picked up this exfoliating gloves. I had one of these. I had it for such a long time, but then it wore out because I always use exfoliating gloves in my shower routine. It has a nice elastic band here. There's a little thing I can just pull apart from here. And of course, you just put your hand in here and you can just exfoliate yourself. What I usually do is, before I get into the shower, I do my dry brushing, and I always use an exfoliating brush to do that. Not brush or gloves, doesn't matter which one. This is a glove, okay? So I like to use this to rub my skin, rub the elbows and all of that, just before I get into the shower, to just help to exfoliate those dead skin cells and all of that. And you can also use this wet if you want, but if you just want to use this dry to do your exfoliating, you can use that as well. These are really, really good things to have for your shower routine. I really like this. Like I said, the one that I had was already worn out, and I got that, I think, from either Boots or Superdrug. But they are so good to have. It makes your skin feel so nice and smooth and soft and supple. It really does help to take away, you know, the dead skin cells, especially on your elbows, on your knees, just around your toes. It's really good. So next, I picked up this 4-piece brush set. I don't know why I needed more brushes though. I don't know why. I don't need any more brushes in my collection. I have enough. It's a 4-piece set. They do have different colors, the black and pink, but I thought I don't have anything this color. So I thought, why not pick it up? You do have like a blush or powder brush right here. And the other 3 looks like eye brushes, like for crease and to put the concealers under the brows and stuff like that. So there it is. Let me just open this up quickly for you. Let me just take them out. And they don't feel too bad. They feel really good, because sometimes you can tell when a brush is really cheap. So you can use this for powder brush or to put the blush on your cheeks. And this is an angle brush. You can use this to put on those gel eyebrows. And this is another flat brush you can use for cut crease. And I guess this is another crease brush. And there it is, 4 pieces. So I'm just going to put that back in here. And again, I really don't need any more brushes. I do have a lot of brushes in my collection already. And this is a pink nail polish with some lovely glare to it. I'm not quite sure why I love pink so much. I find every time I do my makeup, it always comes out pink. If I'm using a blue eyeshadow palette, something pink always comes off on my face. I'm not quite sure why. And when I saw this pink nail polish, I thought, oh lovely, I'm going to get it. And there it is, really nice. So next I do have this eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. This is an eyeshadow quad for the brow bone, the eyelid, crease, and for transition. Really nice, nice and neutral base for the fall. Really, really pretty. I don't really have a lot of things from Wet n Wild, but I'm really interested in trying this one. Love that. And also from Wet n Wild, I pick up a eyeliner, and this is called Brown, because sometimes, you know, I always use black all the time to line my eyes, and this is an alternative. One of the things I love about the Wet n Wild pencils, they are really long. Do you see the length of that? And you do get a, you know, bang for your buck whenever you buy any pencils from Wet n Wild. And let me just open this up for you guys quickly. And I'm gonna take this out. And I think I do have something from Wet n Wild already. And look at the length of this pencil, guys. Look at that. And this is an eyeliner. Ooh. And the pencil is nice and soft. One little stroke, as you can see. You see that? One little stroke and it goes on. Very, very soft, like that. And this is called Brown. And this must have been like a dollar something, like that. And last but not least, this is a Viva Color blush. Really interested. It looks okay, to be honest. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Let me see. And this was $3.50. Let me see if I can open this up quickly for you guys and show you what the packaging looks like. Looks pretty good. Really nice. There we go. Very, very, very pretty. And let me see if I can open that. And really lovely. I don't know if you can see that on my hand. Wow. Very, very, very pretty. There you go. I'm not very good at doing swatches, but this is really nice, very, very pigmented, lovely. You can even use this on your lid as well. Really, really pretty. So I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on a couple of things. Again, this is the blush, this is the eyeshadow quad, the 4-piece brush set, this is the buffing gloves, the tweezer, and this is the cosmetic wedges or sponges that I picked up. And again, these always comes in so handy. So on that note, this is the end of the video. Thank you for spending this little time with me today. I do appreciate it. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. I shall see you next time. Toodles. Bye.